been up and I've been down and I done seen it all. Was in the gym working my shot, now they pass me the ball. They never answer when I call, now I'm the one they call. I done been up and I've been down and I done seen it all. Crazy when you really gotta get it out the mud.
So we'll go over what we're doing, the whole car getting wrapped. You want to do the windshield protection? Obviously. This stays black here. Yeah, and then everything else is Nardo. Is there anything else? Logo tailpipes blacked out. Smoke headlights. Reflectors. The side markers. Front and rear side markers. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll find a place to park it for you. In Corsa mode. For those of you who don't know what Corsa mode is, do you mind if I show them? Ridiculous. I can get used to this. This is nice. So we're gonna prep this. We're gonna wipe down everything that's around it, and then we're gonna start laying it. So you want to prep it so that it's super clean. That way it eliminates any chance of dust getting in. That's the #1 enemy when it comes to installing this film. Tony is delicately tucking all the edges in on the top. So we started on the roof because you always want to work your way down. Don't want to drop any dirt or dust into the pieces you're working on. That's good. Came in on the weekend to get some more progress on it. Pretty much this whole side, the rear is already done. What's left is right now is this portion of the roof. We have the front bumper and the fender and the rockers, and then after that we're gonna remove all the glue. After the glue's all removed, we're gonna send it right to the body shop because this thing has a lot of body work to get done before we get it wrapped, and then we're gonna be wrapping it in the 3M Satin Dark Gray, which is a sick color. So hope you guys never have to run into this issue because we don't like it as much as you do.
How many man hours so far?
We're at like 30 hours, I think, we're moving it. Yeah, 30 solid hours. So we could have wrapped the whole car already. Just got its windows tinted. It's here for full front end protection, rocker panels, door edge protection, door sill protection, which is pretty much where most of them get worn out. So funny story about this guy, he actually had a Model 3 and he drove 1 year without the protection he needed. He sold it, so he traded in for a Model Y. Hugo, what are you doing? Yeah. What are you wrapping? You're wrapping a phone case? There's an S63 downstairs. You're wrapping a phone case? So this is the room of wrap. This is Emily. She's actually prepping. We're doing the door sills of a Q50 downstairs. So we have a lot of wrap accumulated. Because we have extras from cars. So we're doing a huge sale. If you guys are looking for any color in particular, even like bits and pieces like this, like these are really cool if you guys want to do some fun projects at home for a motorcycle, or if you have a laptops, or you can literally wrap anything. I had a gentleman come by the other day. He picked up some purple to wrap like the small toy cars for the kids. So that's actually the software we're using, Expel software. And like I said, we adjust everything to make it wrap around all the edges. When you have a mini, can I get an espresso? M2 wants an espresso? Thank you, thank you. Guys, this is Nitaya. Never mind.
Maybe next week.
Next week, maybe next week. We got a lot of cool projects to show you. Right behind me, we have an exo shield going down on a GT3 RS. So this is a windscreen protection to protect the car for when he goes tracking or everyday use. And then over on this side, we actually have a motorcycle getting wrapped. So this is pretty rare. So you guys sometimes ask us, hey, is it easier to bring the parts off? No, it's not. As you can see, it takes 2 guys to wrap one little piece like this. Imagine a sports bike where all the fairings and everything are off. It's way better keeping it on the bike, and then we'll disassemble it as we wrap it. So this is already done. It's getting done in the 3M matte pine metallic green. So that's really cool. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's a Lambo with the door off right there. That is getting the new Innosatech Nardo Gray. So it's gonna be our first Innosatech wrap, and I think it's gonna be the first one getting wrapped by Innosatech in Montreal, so stay tuned for that one. It's a full doors off, door jams, complete wrap going down. Guys, if you didn't know, Hugo's actually scared of spiders. So we ordered these on Amazon, and it's 150 decorative like bugs made of, they're pretty realistic actually if you look at them. Whoa. These are pretty realistic. So we're gonna start planting them in strategic places and catching them off guard. Where's Hugo? What? Yeah, let me know when you need help. Nothing, man. There's nothing. Oh! Guys, he's taken. I mean, ladies, he's taken. Yo, you run fast, man. That's why his name's Roadrunner. Oh! Is it a toy? Oh my god.
Merde, il m'a eu. Il m'a eu, man. Heureusement que c'était pas sur moi, bro. J'allais sauter, man. Oh, qui a ramené ça? C'est tôt. What's wrong with you guys? Ils sont décidés aujourd'hui de me faire peur, man.